In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide tagged photos on Instagram. This is really easy and can be done in around 30 seconds. So here's what you need to do. So first, go to your Instagram profile by clicking on the button in the bottom right hand corner. Then you should see the photos you've uploaded. Click on the tagged photos button, which is the button with the profile icon. Then it will show you all of the tagged photos on your profile. Here you can then click on one. It's going to take you to that picture that someone's uploaded. You can then click on the three lines in the top right hand corner and click on hide options. Here you can either hide from your profile or you can remove the tag of yourself. Either one, it's going to remove it from your profile. I'm just going to click hide from profile here. And you can see now that when we refresh, that picture has now gone. And that's all you've got to do to hide your tagged photos on Instagram. If that helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.